Hi friends, welcome to a brand new episode of My Cravings. Today we are gonna make pav, or also called as sweet bun. So let's get started. For this I'm taking 100 grams of maida and added required salt to it, and I'm mixing it thoroughly. For every 100 grams of maida we'll be needing 60 ml of water. That is the ratio that we need to mix while making buns. Now you must be wondering why my water is milky. This is our magic mix to make our flour rise. I have taken 60 ml of lukewarm water, into which I have added 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Now the sugar will act as the food for the yeast to multiply rigorously, and also the warmth of the water will help the yeast to grow. We'll have to knead the dough very soft. Add the water in batches and mix it perfectly. Now you may find the dough a bit watery, but never make the mistake of adding extra flour to it. Add a teaspoon of ghee into it and knead it thoroughly. Now we need to take the dough onto a flat surface of your choice, maybe on your kitchen countertop or on the chapati roller. Do not use your inner palm to push the dough, use your fingertips to do it. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You will see that the water being absorbed by the dough. Once you think the dough is ready, we'll have to rest the dough for 10 minutes. This kneading will help the formation of the gluten bond or the protein bond, which helps in reducing the water content in the dough. Now we are going to do the window pane test, for which we'll have to pull the dough out slowly to sheet and see that if the sheet is being torn. If it is tearing, this means your dough is not ready and we'll have to push the dough again. Knead the dough for another 2 minutes and rest it again for 10 minutes for the window pane test. Now repeat the process again until we get a fine sheet. Now our dough is perfectly fine. Now we will be resting the dough for 1 hour for proofing. Now the dough will be doubled after 1 hour like this. Now punch the air out and make small balls out of it. Now we need to set the dough onto the baking tray. Grease the pan with ghee and fold the dough like this so that we get a smooth side on the top. Now we need to rest the balls for another 1 hour for proofing before taking this into the preheated oven of 180 degrees for 2 minutes. We are using convection mode for baking. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. Now our pav has rise nearly double. This is called the oven spring. Now brush some milk or butter onto the top of the pav. Do give it a try. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.